right, friends, I cannot stop buying the Walmart home stuff right now, specifically the time and table line, because I got some things from them a couple weeks ago and I just love them so much. So I was like, let me do a haul. I ended up buying a bunch of stuff. So basically I'm just gonna share it all with you today. I don't know if we're gonna call this like a home video or kitchenware video, but I'm trying to like keep the shipping label here. I am just obsessed with this line, and so I'm not just gonna show you what I'm unboxing here, I'll also show you some things that I already have and love. But we'll go ahead and get started. Make sure to click the subscribe button, and I'll have everything linked below. Product number one, and so again, like I'll have it all linked. Product number one will also be labeled number one below, so super easy to shop. Their kitchen towels are super cute. We have a bunch of white towels, but they've just gotten, you know how they get. They just get kind of dingy over time. So I got some of these that are, there's like two different prints here. They're kind of similar. And then some that are a little bit more like black. But again, this line has just so many good like black and white pieces, and I just love the way everything looks. So I got those. And then these, I'm literally kicking myself. I told you guys I paid a ton of money for the La Crusette brand. I'm not entirely sure if that's how you say it. Pumpkins, because these have been out of stock forever. You kind of have to finagle with the Walmart's website. It's a little glitchy, and I didn't play with it too much. I usually would just like go back, and I don't know if it was like my history had just never updated or whatever, but one of you guys were like, they're back in stock. So I went and found a certain color in stock. They didn't have all of them in stock at the time, but I figured since I got the like pretty off-white pumpkin bowls, then this time I would get this color. Look at how beautiful. So I got the color Merlot, and they are only $25 for all three. So a very good price. And they're 13.5 ounces. They do also come in white and orange, but it looks like, again, all three are out of stock. So kind of click around on the Walmart website. It can be super weird. Like sometimes if you update like your address, it will tell you that they're not in stock. But then if you say you want it shipped, like it will tell you miraculously they are. It's very strange. So just keep an eye out, but I'm gonna link them below. Okay, so the middle box was clothing, which totally different video I'll be doing actually very, very soon. But this is a lot of paper. So this is the medium oval platter. One thing I love about all of their stuff is not only is it beautiful, it's dishwasher safe, microwave safe, like freezer safe, oven safe. Like it's very, very durable, and the glass is just so thick. Like this doesn't feel very thin. It is absolutely beautiful, and so I've been loving this print. And then I got this size as well. Now, one of the reasons I like kind of want to call this video like a home video is these are beautiful. And so I actually am going to display these in my cabinets. I'll show you guys the plates and bowls in a second. I also have a coffee mug, some other baking dishes. Like this stuff is just beautiful, so it displays really well. So I have mine in my little buffets, and they just look so good. But I've been loving platters lately. My son is really into helping me in the kitchen, so we're just spending a lot more time in here lately, which is fun. So I love those. And if you're not crazy about that black and white print, they do have a polka dot that I'll show you. Okay, I got the stainless steel slotted turner spatula. It says hollow handle stays cool. That's nice. And it has a gold finish. I just needed a very, very thin stainless steel one. I have some silicone ones that I love, but you guys know not all spatulas are made equal, so sometimes the stainless steel is essential, and I loved the gold. And then also our baking sheets have just gotten really dingy lately. We have had them for, God, years at this point. And they're not as nonstick as they once were, and they're not my fave. They don't wash as easily as they used to. So I got this 3-piece set. It is nonstick sheet pan set. I rarely cook on here. Like the nonstick part isn't super important to me because I usually put like parchment paper or something down, but still, I know some people really like that. It says durable aluminized steel, oven safe up to 428 degrees. That's good to know. Dishwasher safe, nonstick coating, provides quick food release and perfect for large batches of food. So this is the smallest size. I have this size. Okay, so the small is 9 by 13. This is 11 by 15. And then the large is 12 by 17. And I'm not sure if you guys can see. I'll have to get the like sticky off, but it has this really pretty like gold speck on it, which is nice. All right, now I'm gonna show you some of the things that I do already have and have used and love. Okay, then I got this mixing bowl set. So this is the polka dot print that you can also get like all these other things in. I love this. This bowl is my favorite. It does come with a couple other measuring cups inside. One of the reasons I love this is because it has measurements on the inside and a little pour spout. So I have actually been using this when I like whisk like eggs together when we've been baking. It's really nice. I don't necessarily use this all the time, but I just find that this is like the perfect size for baking because it expects you to use those measurements. So I've really loved this one. Next product, I actually bought 4 of these. They're beautiful, like 23 ounce, it doesn't say on here, but I'm pretty sure it's 23 or 24 ounce soup mugs. It has a lid on it that you can pull right off, and it does have a little like, steam cap with it. These are stoneware. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and I just love this print. We are very into soups around here, obviously, and I like pretty soup bowls, as does my husband. So I really love these, and we've already used them. This set actually comes together, and you can buy additional plates and bowls if you wish, but this is one set. So you've got the bowls. They come, it's 4 bowls, 4 salad plates, and then 4 dinner plates. The quality, again, absolutely amazing. I will absolutely use these bowls on a more regular basis one day, but my kids right now being little, I just don't want them to break those. So we really use the dinner plates more now. I love the pattern. They're just, again, nicest quality ever, and they're so pretty. Like that just stores so well and looks really nice. Next product, coffee mugs. I do have 2 of these. I love them. I like the gold handle. I think that these are just so cute, and they're really nice quality mugs. Like they're very thick and heavy. I just love a good coffee mug, so that's why I have 2. This is adorable. Sam loves banana bread, so I wanted to get a really nice glass dish for that, and I just thought, of course, like how cute is the little polka dot print. And then these 2 actually come in a set. Again, these are the same line. Like I am obsessed with that line. I can't stop buying stuff from them, but I always love a good casserole dish, and I have a million of them. So does it have the sizes on here? It does not. This one says oven safe up to 450 degrees, microwave and dishwasher safe. And I love the print on these as well. So again, these are like a little set. And I have no idea what happened to it, but I had a like Tupperware container, and I'm sitting here looking around, and I was like, I don't see them literally anywhere in our kitchen. And I don't know if I'm just like losing my mind, not buy those. Did they get shipped? I don't know. But anyways, that is everything for this haul. Lots of good home stuff. I just adore Walmart, and I love these prints and patterns, and I'm loving baking and spending time in the kitchen lately, learning new things and trying new recipes. So that is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure to click the subscribe button. I'll be back with a Walmart fashion video later in the week. So got a lot of good stuff for Walmart planned, but this is such a good one.